Email automation templates is where you edit the master templates I send to candidates and your team. You can customize each template as much as you'd like, but there are a few important things to review before starting campaigns. My email automation templates are individual to each user, so if you are part of a workspace with multiple users, any changes you make will only affect jobs that you create. Each template includes a signature at the bottom that defaults to the company name in your profile. You can change this to whatever makes the most sense for your company, for example, HR department, or the recruiter's name for a more personal touch. These templates are your master templates. Every job you create will begin with these and they'll appear in the final step of the job creation process. If you make changes to a template within a specific job, those edits only apply to that job. They will not modify the master templates. Let's briefly go through each template and its role in my process. Hire candidate, sent when you select Hire candidate in the Talent Hub. You'll likely want to customize next steps, compensation and benefits. This is the template you'll most often tailor per job. Reject candidate, sent when you select Reject candidate in the Talent Hub. Application confirmation, lets candidates know they've successfully applied for the role. Meet link, provides candidates with their meeting link, allows them to add it to their calendar, and includes preparation tips and guidance on how the AI interview works. Meet end, sent after a candidate completes an AI interview. Candidate applied notification, sent to logged in user's email listed in the account profile. You can turn these notifications on or off in the settings menu. Human interview invitation, human interview scheduled, and human interview completed. These are sent at the appropriate stages when you select human interview in the job creation process. Second interview invitation, second interview scheduled, and second interview completed. These are sent at the appropriate stages when you select request second interview in the Talent Hub. If you prefer to contact the candidate personally at this stage, you can edit this template to let them know you'll be reaching out directly instead. Outreach email, sent to candidates sourced through aFinder when you choose Send email from the candidate's interface. You should never delete or replace the coded text that allows me to automatically insert job titles or candidate names into emails. If you accidentally modify something unintended, you can always reset the template. The logo in all templates comes from your workspace profile. The company name shown in the emails is pulled directly from the logged in user's profile. In the next tutorial, I'll explain how workspaces help your team use me efficiently and collaboratively.